Yeah.
Whip it real good. Bella and I are going to see.
We're going to go see Greatest Showman.
Mommy-daughter date.
Ah, toodles.
Hi. The Greatest Showman was awesome. I can't turn this camera around on me like vlog style. This thing is a beast. It is in the works to get a small Canon camera that I could vlog with, so I can actually have it on me, so I don't have to go to a mirror. But we went and saw The Greatest Showman, and I don't even know if I'm in focus, and it was super good. So if you haven't seen it, go see it. And you guys, it is still, look at this. It is still raining, and it is 4:05. In fact, we just had like a major downpour, like major. So we always seem to get like crazy rain or crazy weather right before it heats up and we get spring. So I'm just hanging out around the house. My husband is the biggest sweetheart. He was like, go see the movie with Bella, and he stayed home and folded all of our laundry. Oh, he's too amazing. In the crock pot is a can of cream of chicken, half a cup of chicken broth, 4 or 5 frozen boneless skinless chicken breasts, a brick of cream cheese, a packet of Italian seasoning, and a good tablespoon of garlic. You let this cook on high for 4 hours, maybe 5 hours, then you shred your chicken. You put it over some brown rice, and you can serve it with, you know, fresh green beans or any kind of veggies on the side. And my kids, my whole family loves this. That Italian seasoning packet is so flavorful and so good, so it makes a really yummy, creamy chicken dinner over rice. Well, hello there, right behind me. Creeping up behind me, it's Mamushka. Oh, and she DIY'd this shirt, you guys. Talk about cute. I found this in the boys section at TJ Maxx because we could not find them in the girls section. She wanted like a rock and roll shirt. She cut the bottom. She cut holes in it. Then she took a bottle of bleach and sprayed bleach on it. And she made her own DIY rock and roll Rolling Stones t-shirt, y'all. Whoop, 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 whoop. So we went to Home Depot and picked up these gold little screw-in hooks because I want to put them up here so I can hang these 2 cute mugs here and here. Just because I feel like these stacked mugs look cute in the basket, but I just wanted something over here. And I didn't really care for these stacked like that right here. So we're going to hang them up. And I'll show you guys those. So I decided to chalk paint the hooks because they only come in gold. They don't come in silver or like pewter or anything like that, or black. So I just chalk painted them with a brush and let them dry. Doesn't that look so cute? I love it! Well, that's going to wrap up these 2 vlogs for the day. I didn't do much vlogging today on Sunday. We're just doing some things around the house. I'm going to work on my craft room next, and we're going to have dinner later and just hang out as a family. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. As always, I'll be back again soon with another video, and thank you guys again for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye guys!